International Yoga Day will be marked at a time when COVID-19 pandemic continues to upend lives and livelihoods of people globally. Beyond its immediate impact on physical health, the COVID-19 pandemic has also exacerbated psychological suffering and mental health problems, including depression and anxiety, as pandemic-related restrictions continue in various forms in many countries. This has highlighted the urgent need to address the mental health dimension of the pandemic in addition to the physical health aspects. Here comes the importance of yoga. Yoga is an ancient physical, mental, and spiritual practice that originated in India. The word yoga derives from Sanskrit and means to join or to unite, symbolizing the union of body and consciousness. Today, it is practiced in various forms around the world and continues to grow in popularity. Recognizing its universal appeal on 11 December 2014, the United Nations proclaimed 21st June as the International Day of Yoga by Resolution 69/131. The draft resolution establishing the International Day of Yoga was proposed by India and endorsed by a record 175 member states. The proposal was first introduced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in his address during the opening of the 69th session of General Assembly, in which he said, "Yoga is an invaluable gift from our ancient tradition. Yoga embodies the unity of mind and body, thought and action, a holistic approach that is valuable to our health and our well-being. Yoga is not just about exercise, it is a way to discover the sense of oneness with yourself, the world and the nature." The resolution notes the importance of individuals and populations making healthier choices and following lifestyle patterns that foster good health. In this regard, the World Health Organization has also urged its member states to help their citizens reduce physical inactivity, which is among the top 10 leading causes of death worldwide and a key risk factor for non-communicable diseases such as cardiovascular diseases, cancer, and diabetes. The message of yoga in promoting both the physical and mental well-being of humanity has never been more relevant. A growing trend of people around the world embracing yoga to stay healthy and rejuvenated and to fight social isolation and depression has been witnessed during the pandemic. Yoga is also playing a significant role in the psychosocial care and rehabilitation of COVID-19 patients in quarantine and isolation. It is particularly helpful in allaying their fears and anxiety. Recognizing this important role of yoga, this year's commemoration of the International Day of Yoga focuses on yoga for well-being, how the practice of yoga can promote the holistic health of every individual. The United Nations offers yoga resources to its personal and others on COVID-19 portal section on wellness. The World Health Organization mentions yoga as a means to improve health in its Global Action Plan on Physical Activity 2018-2030, More Active People for a Healthier World. UNICEF says kids can practice many yoga poses without any risk and get the same benefits that adults do. These benefits include increased flexibility and fitness, mindfulness and relaxation. The permanent mission of India to the United Nations invites to an online celebration of the 7th Annual International Yoga Day on 21st June 2021 from 8:30 to 10 a.m. EST to be broadcast live on UN Web TV. The event will open with messages from President of United Nations General Assembly and the Deputy Secretary General of the United Nations, which will be followed by demonstrations of yoga exercises, that is asanas, to improve physical, mental, emotional and spiritual health, and an interactive panel discussing on yoga for well-being. Thank you.